Hi everyone, it's Kerry here and I am starting to make videos again for my channel and I'm super excited about it. But since today was Throwback Thursday, I thought that I would go back and show a couple of throwbacks. So this very first video that I'm going to show is a throwback of one of the first videos I ever did on YouTube, all the way back in like 2009 I think, or 2010. And I did a lot of cooking projects that I deleted. So I have since deleted this, but I'm bringing it back because I just think it's funny and I hope you enjoy it. And happy TBT. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Hello. This is Kerry and I'm about to show you how to make my favorite after school my after school smackdown. Wah! This is my kitchen. As you can see, I'm a millionaire. Just kidding, middle class. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is get into my fridge and get this pre-made pasta that I made last night. This stuff, you wanna get out a bowl. I hope you have one. Look we have Ultima Replenisher. That's fascinating. I don't even know what that is. Step one, ladies. Can you do it? Living on the edge because it's vodka. Ooh. You're cute. Well, that's microwaving. Let's look at my cat. Did you ever make faces at yourself in the mirror when you're bored? Waiting for the microwave? I have a lot of hair. Take it out of the microwave. It looks the same. Alright, now I put my spices on. This is step 8. I'm spicy. Then you mix it up and it looks like that. Ciao for now. And don't eat a cow. I think it's pretty good.